Welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to discuss an unpleasant situation, but if it happens then we have to go through it. There's no way out. So what to do if your passport is lost while traveling abroad? I know, I can understand how stressful it is, so that's why we should be prepared. We should do everything to avoid this situation, but if it happens we should know that what we are supposed to do. So imagine you are enjoying your trip, maybe exploring a new country, city, checking into a good hotel, or getting ready for your flight, and suddenly you realize your passport is missing. So this is like the most stressful situation. The good news is losing your passport does not mean your trip is over. If you have to stay calm and follow the right steps, you can usually get a temporary travel document and continue your journey or even return to your home safely. So I'm going to walk you through exactly what to do if your passport is stolen while traveling abroad. The very first thing, stay calm and double check everything. Before assuming your passport is gone, search very carefully. Check your room, your luggage, jacket, pocket, everywhere, backpack, and the places and any places you recently visited. Many times this is just misplaced rather than stolen. If you cannot find it, move to the next step immediately. First of all, report the loss or theft to local authorities. If you believe your passport was lost, contact the local police and file a report. Ask for a copy of the police report or at least the report number. This will be very helpful when you deal with your embassy, insurance company, or airline. Okay. Once this is done, then contact your country's embassy or consulate. Now, this is the most important step. Search for the nearest embassy or consulate of your country and contact them as soon as possible. Okay. They will guide you through the process of obtaining an emergency travel document or replacement passport. In many cases, they can issue a temporary travel document that allows you to return home. Step number 4, gather documents you still have. The embassy will usually ask for some proof of identity. This could be your driver license, permanent resident card, health card, birth certificate, photo or copy of your passport, or even a digital photo of your passport if you saved on your phone or cloud device. So always your documents should be having a soft copy saved on your phone, email, or somewhere from where it can be easily accessed and produced whenever required. Okay. Now, many embassies will also ask for your new passport size photograph. So this you can get anywhere. Okay, you can take the nearby places. Then you may have to pay a fee. Okay, to get that. Now, but there's a process behind it and it's gonna take some time, right? But what if you have like fly, if you have a fly, so the question is like, will I be able to fly? In most cases, airline require a valid passport or emergency travel document. Once the embassy issues at the temporary document, you can generally use it for your return trip or onward travel according to the conditions specified. Another important question, what if your visa was inside the lost passport? Now this can complicate things. Some countries may require to obtain a replacement visa before you can leave or continue traveling. The embassy and local immigration authorities can explain the specific requirements for the country you are visiting. Now let me share a few prevention tips that can save you a lot of trouble. Keep your passport in a secure place, such as a hotel safe when you don't need to carry it. Carry a photocopy of passport separately from the original. Save a digital copy in a secured location. Use a money belt or inside pocket in crowded tourist places to avoid pickpocketing. Okay. Now the biggest mistake in these cases that people do is like waiting too long. Some travelers spend a day or two hoping the passport will magically appear or somebody who has mistakenly taken will return. That may not happen. Okay. So you have to stay calm and search, but if cannot be found, report immediately. The sooner you contact, the sooner you'll get the replacement documents. So that's what it is, guys. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and share it with others. These tips may save you and others. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.